VITALS module. This is the vital module where the vital measurements of patients can be recorded. Log into your account, select the preferred patient from your patient list and click on New Health Record and navigate to the Vital module. If the module is unavailable, click on the Show More button and select Show Vital. Click on the Add button to enter vital readings individually. You can add multiple vital readings by clicking on the Add Multiple button. Click on the Add button and select your preferred vital reading from the drop-down. Let's select temperature and enter the reading. You can also select your preferred unit from the drop-down. If preferred, the automatically generated curated range can be modified and you can also mark as abnormal as required. Click on Save to save the details. Click on the Add Multiple option. Here, you can enter multiple readings along with the preferred unit. Click on the More option to add or remove fields for more information to be recorded as required and click on Save to save details. Now you can notice the BMI readings are available. This is an automatic reading which will be available once the weight and height details are stored either to the single vital form or multiple vital form. The BMI can also be manually added. The readings that are abnormal will be displayed with the red background to grab the attention of the user for them to take the required steps. To delete or edit details, click on the already saved information and click on the trash icon to delete or to update information. Make the required edits and click on Save. You can use the More button to add or remove fields to the Add Multiple form. You can click on the Graph option to view a graph of the vital recordings. Data-based filters can also be applied to view graphs for the selected duration. Click here to view a tabular representation of the data and click on the Expand icon to view a large view of the data. Click on the Print icon to print these details.